You doing something or what?
Yeah, I have to listen.
Huh?
Yeah, I can listen.
How you been?
Good.
You miss me?
Mm-hmm.
This is my cousin.
What's up?
So,
Introduce yourself.
my name's Jamal.
My name's Sal. We already shook hands.
Yes.
How old are you?
10.
10. Guess what he could do? He can make beats and stuff. He went to school. Tell him what you do.
I make beats. I'm a studio engineer. I got my degree in applied science and recording, so I record rappers and stuff like that all day.
But he went to school to get the science.
Yeah.
Ain't that cool? You want to see how we do it?
Yeah.
Show him.
Like, what song you like right now?
Um,
You know you like a lot of songs. I can see it on your face.
I like Gucci Gang.
Gucci Gang. When he say Gucci Gang, all he doing is looping what he say.
Yeah.
Then so boom, when you do that little stuff like that, you making a tempo to start something. So you got a tempo. It's like a 4 count. So you just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then at that point you making a beat. It's just a loop. Then that's all I did with this. I just took something, played it off some little old song I got, and put a clap to it. Then after you do that, this is a drum right here. This is an 808. You can touch it. You can play with it. Like these buttons right here. Make it a little louder. But like, look, you know how kids go to college and be them basketball players? How they do that?
They had to have a good education and get A's.
Yeah. And that too, and they gotta just stay to their craft. Like whatever you wanna do. If you wanna hoop, you wanna do music, you wanna make videos, whatever you wanna do, even in English, you just gotta put all your all into it. And that's how you get them A's, and them A's will show off to you getting some money. You could buy your mom that house or a new car or something just by yourself, son, or your family, your sisters, brothers. That's all it's about. It's about when you get out of school getting that money. So just pay attention now. You make sure you ain't gonna be like the other dudes. So it's like why you ain't pay attention? I know what to do. You know what I'm saying? You'll get to your dreams real quicker. You'll be crossing them up and be on TV. I'd be like, man, I know little dude. I seen him back when he was at St. Louis. Next, I might have him to ask for your autograph in a couple years.